Every Igbo person should see this and understand the conditions and terms of heavily investing in Lagos State. The North and Dangote should understand that his refinery in Lagos no longer belong to him. The likes of Cubana chief priest should also be made to understand the conditions attached to any investments in Lagos.
What do you want? A cheap land which you might face consequence? But I have bought cheap and suffered. The deep sea port used to belong to me. 20 acres. I bought it cheaply, no papers. And the person told me I have integrity. The governor is my son. I will get the paper. Today, I didn't get any papers. And at the time, somebody was showing me banana land which was more expensive. And I thought I was smart by buying cheap. But I had now found out I wasn't smart because I lost everything. 1978, land use decree, and 1993 Lagos State land law makes you to be powerless. Absolutely, totally powerless. All land belongs to the government. Lagos State now added to it by an act of a House of Assembly that from Ikoyi to Ekpe, left and right, 2 kilometers is controlled by the state. They have the powers to just take the land, allocate, regulate, use as they wish. So now somebody will say, oh, there are demolition. In the places where there's demolition, there is law. Take the government to court if you are sure that you have been. It will be difficult for the government to have been the one that went through all this process and come to demolish your house. The only reason will be a public use that is for greater public. I, Matthew Ashimolowo, I've been the greatest victim of that.
Yes.
When you buy those 20 million naira plots, there's no road. They will come back to you and ask for money for road development fee. They are not even talking of properly tarred or paved road. I fear for those who are buying in estates in this corridor where they did not see evidence of proper drains. What do you want?